When I tell you I made this whole outfit in less than 1 hour, I mean within the time frame of an hour. My dear, I kid you not. That's what it took for me to make this whole outfit. And you know the fun part, the making of the top. This top took me less than 10 minutes to make. When I say less than 10 minutes, in fact, this is the easiest top you can ever make. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to show you how to make this whole outfit. If this is kind of video you would like to see, please do what to watch to the end, like, comment, and share. Do not forget to subscribe as well. And meanwhile, the making of this skirt is already on my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this top. So do what to watch to the end and see how it's done. So for this top, I made use of just 1 yard of fabric to make it. The first thing I did was to fold my fabric like you see me do right now. Fold it again like into half and then fold it to the length of your top. So the length of my top, I'm making use of 20 inches, okay? Then go ahead and mark your breast point. Mine is 12 inches. Go ahead and mark it there. No extra allowance needed. All right, now go ahead and mark out your neckline. I went in by 4 and then I went down by 4.5. Now I'm cutting both the front and the back together, as you can see. All right, now after doing that, just go ahead and use your curve ruler to mark out the neck of your neckline, right, which is the round neck. Do that using your curve ruler like so, and then the rest serves as your shoulder and then the sleeve as well. All right, this is a cut together sleeve. Now go ahead and divide your bust measurement by 4 and then add the extra 2 inches. That 2 inches you're adding also includes the sewing allowance. So in essence, you're adding extra 1.5 inches and then half inch for sewing allowance. Do the same thing for your waistline as well. And after doing that, go ahead and connect the line together like you see me do right now. All right, now the next thing to do is from your your sleeve, go ahead and connect it like that with a curve. Okay, now this is all the cutting you need. You see how easy it is to just cut this thing. This is all the cutting, all the marking as far as making this top is concerned, and you're making with it with just 1 yard. All right, now this is all you need. Just go ahead and cut it out, and then also cut out your neckline as well. Colors, easy. This is what we call as simple as ABCD. Yes, very easy. Now that you've cut it out, go back to your sewing machine, use your bias and then trim the neck. Okay, now after trimming the neck, this is what you're going to have. Go ahead and use that half-inch allowance and just join the sides together like that. All right, after joining it and ironing it, you have something like this. Now go back to your sleeve area and just fold your sleeve, like double fold it, the hem of your sleeve, double fold it and sew it all the way around. Do the same thing for both sleeves, both the left and the right sleeve as well. Okay, now after doing that, you have something like this. Now the last thing you are going to do is to go ahead and double fold the hem of your top like that, and that's it. Just sew it all the way around. You see how easy this is? Very easy, straight to the point. And then you're going to have this beautiful top that you can just wear it, pair it with your skirts, tuck it out, or you simply tuck it in. And you know what, you can also pair this top with maybe your trouser, plain black trouser, plain jean trousers, your high waist. Just rock it as you want. All right, and this is it. So guys, do not forget that I said that the making of this skirt, the sewing and the cutting of this skirt is already on my channel, and I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. All right, so do what to check that out. Don't miss it. Okay, now tell me, will you be trying this? Will you be replicating this style? If your answer is yes, let me know in the comment section. If it's no, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, and guys, until next time, stay creative. I repeat, stay creative, and do not forget that I love you, and do what to stay safe out there. Bye.